Hi students, this is Mahima Gupta and I am here for taking the subject general knowledge. Okay, so firstly I want to welcome you all in the new session in the new class 4th. Okay, this is our chapter first and the name of the chapter is Strange Animal. In this chapter we are going to study about some of the strange animal. Strange means the animals which are different from us somehow in many of the ways. So we are going to discuss about them. The very first thing that we have to understand is human is also a kind of animal, na? But social animal. We are social animal means means we know how to live between the other one and coordinate with them. Okay, so in this way we can say that human beings know how to behave with others. That's why we are called as social animal. So now let's move to the next slide. Okay, this one. Here I am going to read the sentence, then you have to give the answer. Okay, I will also mark them. I will also give the answer, but firstly you have to try to give the answers. So let's start with the first one. This is the first sentence, so I am going to read it. Dash is a large and most nearly related to man. It is found in Africa. Okay, so with the help of these pictures I think you can give the answer, है ना? This is ape, this one is platypus, and the last one is puma. So here the answer will be ape, means it is a type of monkey, we can say, है ना? It is a type of monkey. Okay, so let's know about it. What are the features of this one? So see here, this is the ape. It is a large and most nearly related to man. It is found in Africa. This animal is mainly found in Africa. These are mostly related to man. As we know now, these monkeys and apes are our ancestors. So we are somehow related with these animals. Many of the features of apes and human being are somehow similar. So that we can say that these ape are mostly related to man. So this is our first answer. Now let's moving to the next one. Here, second. Dash is the smallest egg-laying mammal found in Australia. This animal belongs to Australia and is the smallest egg-laying mammal. Egg-laying mammal means this animal lay eggs. They don't give birth to their young one. They lay egg. This means they are oviparous, not viviparous. They are oviparous. Okay, and they are smallest egg-laying mammal. And one more factor is related with this kind of animal, that they used to feed their young ones with milk. Okay, they used to feed their animal with milk. This is the main characteristic of mammal. So we can say it is the smallest egg-laying mammal found in Australia, and they used to feed their young one with the help of milk. So the answer is platypus. This one. Okay, this is our second option. This is our second answer, platypus. This is a picture of platypus. It used to lay eggs and also feed his young ones with milk. Now last one. Dash is called mountain lion, found in North and South America. It is a carnivorous animal. Carnivorous animal means these kind of animal used to feed on other animal. They eat another animals. So they are carnivorous and they are mainly found in North and South America. So the answer is simply this one. Okay, puma. Puma is the answer. It is also called as mountain lion. Okay, it is called as mountain lion. So the first one is dash is a large and most nearly related to man. This one is ape. Now dash is the smallest egg laying mammal found in Australia. That one is platypus. Then the last dash is called mountain lion, found in North and South America. It is a carnivorous animal, so the answer will be puma. So let's move to the next slide. Okay, here we are going to study about some other animals. This one first. Okay. Now, fourth one, dash is one of the largest snake in the world. It is found in South America. It is a kind of snake. So with the help of this picture, you can see now where you can see a snake. This one, okay. So the answer is anaconda. It is one of the largest snake in the world. It is the one of the largest, okay, not the largest, but one of the largest, okay. And it is found in South America. It is mainly found in South America. I think you had seen this animal in many of the pictures, like anaconda movies, now. So this is the answer. This is our fourth answer. Now, next one. Dash is the largest flightless ostrich-like bird found in Australia. Yes, focus here. Flightless means they are not able to fly. They are bird, but they are not able to fly because of their heavy weight. Okay. Next one is ostrich-like means somehow they are similar they have features like ostrich. Ostrich is another kind of bird which is flightless. Okay, so in this way we can say the answer is emu. This one. Okay, this is the picture of emu. So the fifth one is emu is the largest flightless ostrich-like bird and mainly found in Australia. Okay, platypus is also found in Australia, and this one emu, it is also found in Australia. And the last one, sixth, dash is a fast swimming streamlined sea animal. It is a kind of sea animal, okay, and it is a fast swimmer. They can swim easily and in a very fast speed in water, and it has 8 arms. You can see in this picture. This is the answer, squid, okay. It has 8 arms. These are the arms of a squid, okay. They are 8 in numbers, and they can swim very fast. It can change its color. They can also change their color. For we can say, for saving themselves from the hunters, they used to change their color so that they can protect themselves. In this way they are a strange animal, okay. So the answer is squid, sixth one. This is the answer. Let's read once again. So these were the answer. Let's move to the next slide. This is the last slide, okay. Now the seventh one, here we can read. Dash is found in North and South America. Its body is covered with bony plates. Bony plates means it is a kind of hard object. Na? So the body of these animals is covered with bony plates, means they are hard. Their skin is very hard, and they are mainly found in North and South America. So the answer is armadillo. So here the answer is armadillo. Armadillo is found in North and South America. Its body is covered with bony plates. You can see in the picture, these are the various bony plates, okay. So they are somehow different from the remaining animals. Now the eighth one is, yes, we can write here. This is the seventh answer. Now next, dash is a kind of bear in nature, okay, and it's live on trees and feed on leaves of eucalyptus tree, okay. So the answer is koala. You can see in this picture now. It is a kind of bear in miniature, means they are very small in size with comparison to the original bear that we had studied about. They are smaller in size, okay, but it is also a kind of bear, okay. Now it lives on trees. They used to live on trees and feed on the leaves of eucalyptus tree. I think you know about that panda. Panda used to eat bamboo leaves in the same way these koala used to feed on eucalyptus tree. Eucalyptus tree is one of the largest tree among the angiosperm, okay. Eucalyptus is the largest tree of world which belong to angiosperm. So koala used to eat the leaves of eucalyptus tree. So this is the picture of koala. So this is our eighth answer, okay. So we had completed each and every uh, blank here, okay. So let's take a quick recall for the better performance, okay, for remembering them in a good way. Now next one is here. First one, dash is a large and most nearly related to man. It is found in Africa. So the answer is ape. This one. This is the picture of ape. Now next, dash is the smallest egg-laying mammal found in Australia. Answer is this one, platypus. Next, dash is found is called mountain lion, found in North and South America. It is a carnivorous animal. So the answer will be puma. Now here, dash is one of the largest snakes in the world. It is found in South Africa. So the answer will be anaconda. Fifth one, dash is the largest flightless ostrich-like bird found in Australia. So the answer will be emu. This is the picture of emu. Okay. Sixth, dash is a fast swimming streamlined sea animal with 8 arms. It can change its color also. So the answer will be squid. They are different from the octopus. Okay, don't be confused with them. Now seventh, dash is found in North and South America. Its body is covered with bony plates. So the answer will be armadillo. Now eighth one is, this is the last. Dash is a kind of bear in miniature. It lives on trees and feed on leaves of eucalyptus tree. So the answer will be koala. So our first chapter is completed. Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. In the next video, I am going to take a quick recall of this particular chapter. Okay. To come with proper revision. I hope you enjoyed the chapter. Oh, okay. Thank you.